This is Ron the Dream Roper. I'm coming to you today with a very special and timely message about a project that I'm just starting. It's called Team Joshua. Now, the intent of this project is to use this new technology that has just been introduced. In fact, all the leaders in our profession are jumping on it. A lot of. And here's the deal. Like, Barbara and I just came back from Top Earner Academy in Orlando, Florida with Ray and Jess Higdon. Now, why did we go there? We wanted to become more so that we can give more value to our team, become better leaders, and just came back and all of a sudden this was introduced to us. And how does that benefit you? Well, let me describe briefly what it is. Basically, it's a WordPress plugin and the training that goes along with it, etc., where I can do my daily blog, and if you're on my team, you can share it, but when you share it, it gives it a unique link that if somebody responds to that, investigates it, decides to join our team, they're your team member. So what it is, I've done the work, I've spent the money, and you get the benefits. Now, obviously in our industry, you succeed by helping others succeed. So yes, I paid the money out and I do get the benefit of growing the team and helping my team members succeed. So it's a win-win situation. Now, the timing of this video is, I've just started putting this together this weekend. Okay? And I am looking for, if you like, founding partners for this website, teamjoshua.net. And by that I mean, I want you to contribute, get your input. We're going to do this as a team. And what's the benefit to you? The benefit to you as a founding father, so to speak, is that you get publicity. You know, you can record a video, YouTube video, and put it on the site, your video, and that will enhance your authority and your recognition on the web. So it's a win-win situation. So I'm looking for 5, 6 people to partner with to make this website great and to be a real benefit to you and your team. Are you interested in partnering up with me? Let's lock arms and do this thing. And if you are, just go to the teamjoshua.net. On the upper right-hand corner, give your name, email, and message like, yeah, let's do it. Okay? Ron the Dream Roper signing out. I'm excited, and hopefully you will be too. Have a blessed day.